so good to see you, and for those that are new here, welcome. My name is Dolores, better known as the Baking Diva. Well, today I'm going to make for you, I'm telling you, a delicious side dish. This is going to blow your mind. You're going to love it, and wait till you see how easy it is. I call these upside down Parmesan crusted potatoes. My family loves them. So what do you say we get started? And if you're not already a subscriber, smash that subscribe and that little bell till it says all. And that's all there is to it. You won't miss my upcoming videos because you'll get a notification. So what do we need to do first? Preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and mine is preheating now. Then you're going to need, obviously, potatoes. And you're going to need fairly small to medium size, the yellow skinned potatoes. So I'm going to put these over here. And you're going to need a 9 by 13 pan, any 9 by 13 pan you have. Now, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a 1/4 cup of butter, which is half of a stick, and I'm going to plop it right down in that pan. And then I'm going to put this pan with the butter in it in my oven till it's all melted. But while it's melting, I'm going to show you how I prepare the potatoes. So let me get over there now. Okay, I put that in the oven. Even though it's not preheated, it's still hot, so the butter will melt. So we're going to take small potatoes. We don't want these big, huge potatoes. And these are the potatoes I'm using. You probably need about 6 of them. Now I'm going to take a knife and I'm going to slice my potato in half like this. Just like that. That's easy, right? And then I'm going to just take a smaller knife and I'm going to score the top of the potato. Almost like you were playing tic-tac-toe. So let me just score it a little bit on the top. Just like that. Okay. And I will put a picture in for you, but I have scored it. So I'm going to do this with each of my potatoes. Just score it. You don't want to go all the way down. Just a nice size. There you go. We'll take another potato with my big knife and I'll slice that, oops, right down the middle. And then I will score this. Okay. So I'm going to continue doing these. And as soon as I'm done and that butter has melted in the pan, I will be back. You see that? And I'll show you what we do next, so don't go away. You are gonna love these. I just bought these potatoes today in my local Stop and Shop, and they were buy one bag and get a bag for free. So I think I'm in the mood for some stew. I haven't made stew in a long time. All prepared. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 2 more potatoes. You move them over. Score them. This is pretty darn easy, right? One more potato. I'll move this out of the way. And I'll go in there and the oven and see. Go this way. Go in the oven and see if my butter's melted yet. These are so delicious. I really mean it. My son's been after me to make them. So we're having them for dinner tonight. And I figured, well, as long as I'm making them, might as well film them for you. So let me move these over. Let me check my oven. It's not melted yet, but it's getting there. So what we're going to need is, I have shredded Parmesan cheese. No special amount. you'll see what I'm going to do with it, and I'll leave it up to you how much you want to put in there. You're going to need some garlic powder, and you're going to need some pepper. You don't need salt because the Parmesan cheese is pretty salty, so you're really not going to need that. All right, so I'll be back in a minute when I get this pan with the melted butter out of the oven. Okay, as you can see, I have all this melted butter on the bottom of my pan. Look at that. Hopefully you can see it. There you go. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my shredded Parmesan cheese and I'm going to sprinkle it all over the butter. You want to make a nice coating on the bottom of your pan. So let me get that in there. I've made these and oh gosh, they're really good, really delicious. So like I said, no set amount of Parmesan cheese. You want to just get the bottom of this all coated. There we go. Want to make something that everyone will love and is delicious, you'll want to give this a try. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit, sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder. Now you can use any seasoning you want. I'm using garlic powder. Okay, here we go. That's pretty good, I think. And like I said, we don't need salt because Parmesan cheese is pretty salty. Oopsie. So, but I'm going to sprinkle some pepper on here. Alrighty. We're all set. Okay, let me just move this over here. Put a little more over here. Alright, now we're going to take our potatoes that we cut in half and we scored, and we're going to place them scored side down right on top of your cheese mixture. Just like this. Okay, and I'll put a nice still in for you. Alrighty. Now, once I get all of these in here, I'm going to put them in my 400-degree oven for 40 minutes. And wait till you see what these babies are going to look like when they're done. Move that up a little. I'll squeeze another small one up here. Here we go. We'll put another one over here. That should do it. All right, so let me put them in the oven and I'll be back in 40 minutes to show you what these look like. So stay tuned. Look at those potatoes sizzling in there. We have about 15 more minutes to go. All right, I just took these out of the oven. Oh, they smell so good. And look at them sizzling. Okay, so I took my Parmesan upside down potatoes out of the oven. Now, this is very important. You must let them sit in the dish for 5 minutes before you remove them, because that will let all the topping harden up a little bit, because you want these to be nice and crusty on the bottom. So they've been sitting here for 5 minutes. I'm going to take them out because everybody's hungry, right?
Yeah.
And they want to eat. So Dan is a little hot. Here we go. Oh my goodness. I hear the crunch. Can you hear the crunch over there? Wait, let me take a spatula. Get this baby out of here. Oh my goodness. Oh yes. Do these look delicious? There's a nice crusty Parmesan cheese with garlic on the bottom of them. Oh my God, I'll put a still in for you. These are going to be delicious. And you can serve them as is. Oh, look at that. Let me try to hold that up for you with the fork. Look at this potato. Oh my goodness. I'll put a picture in for you. These are going to be so good. And you can eat them as is, or some people like to put sour cream on the side. Yes. These really look awesome. Let me hold up the dish. Look at that. So I know you all like me to do a taste testing. Here's a little piece that fell off over here. Oh, so good. Very good. So I'm gonna let them cool down for a minute. I'll definitely put a still in for you of these. I have some sour cream here. So I'm gonna try them with a little sour cream on the side. So anyway, you have to make these. These look awesome. Thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'm gonna go have my dinner now. Love you, and I'll see you very soon. Toodles!